Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's a birthday collaboration and it's hosted by at Penny's Place. So in honor of her birthday, I decided to create for her a floral arrangement and I'm going to customize it by placing her name on it, and I did it really girly, so I hope that she enjoys this video. So I'm going to be linking below her channel link, and if there is a playlist, I will be linking that below also, so make sure and go to it. I'm very excited about her birthday and I just wish her the best day ever. Okay, so in creating her personalized floral arrangement, I decided to use some pinks, and here we have some lavenders, those I picked up at Walmart, and we are using some whites, we're using some eucalyptus, and let's just jump into the video, guys, so that you can see what I'm going to create in this arrangement. So now that we added Penny's name, now we're going to be taking those peony stickers and we're going to put it on either side of her name. Aren't those flowers absolutely gorgeous? I'm loving the way this is coming out. Penny, I hope you're watching. So now that we're done with the peonies and her name, I decided that wasn't enough. It needed a little something more. So I went back in and swirled in some glitter in gold. I'm loving the results of this floral container. Look at this. It looks so glam. I'm absolutely loving it. I think it came out gorgeous. Now it's time to go ahead and arrange the florals.